Whoa, that's a full rainbow. All the way. Double rainbow. Oh my God. It's a double rainbow all the way. Whoa, that's so intense. Whoa, man. Whoa. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo. Oh my. Wow. Woo. Yeah. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my God, look at that. It's starting to even look like a triple rainbow. Oh my God, it's full on. Double rainbow all the way across the sky. Oh my God.
What the hell is going on? What is oozing out of our ground that allows this type of effect to happen?
God.
Not just around our sun and our moon anymore. Everywhere we look.
What does this mean?
This cannot be natural.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. God. It's so bright.
This cannot be natural.
Oh my God. It's so bright and vivid.
The
Oh.
visible spectrum,
Oh. Oh.
rainbows.
It's so beautiful.
We have got to ask ourselves, what the hell is going on? What is oozing out of our ground?
Oh my God.
We all
Oh
know
my God.
it wasn't something that happened 20 years ago, but now it's happening now.
Double complete rainbow. Oh my front yard.
Everywhere we look is rainbows.
Oh my God. What's this mean? Oh,
This cannot be natural.
Too much. I don't know what it means.
I'm just wondering what the heck is in our water supply? What the heck is in our oxygen supply of the metallic oxide salts that create a rainbow effect?
Oh my God.